大家好，我是凡凡，今天给大家展示一个快速又好吃的黄瓜饼，它非常适合作为我们的早餐。
Hi everyone, today we'll be showing you an easy recipe, tiny style cucumber pancakes. It's good for a quick breakfast. As you can see, it has vegetables, protein, and carbs. We will add in a little bit of peanut oil later and shallow fry it to cook in a healthy manner. Here are the main ingredients. Here is the shrimp, half an onion, scallion, 4 cucumbers, and 5 eggs. If you don't have cucumber, you could also use zucchini as a substitute. You can add chicken breast, chopped lettuce, carrots, and sweet pea for more flavor. Let's prepare the ingredients. We are peeling the cucumber skin off. Now we have finished peeling the cucumber. We're going to use a vegetable grater to make it into finer pieces so it blends in with the mixture. Now we're cutting the onion. We already peeled it, so it's safe to cut. If you don't have an onion at home, scallions are also a good substitute for the flavor. Or you could use both of them. Now we've combined the scallions, onions, and the cucumber. We're ready to move on to the other ingredients. To prepare the shrimp first, you have to cut the tail off. From there, try to take out the intestines, and sometimes there could be dirty things there and you should remove that. And finally, you could get rid of the skin. We're dicing the shrimp into smaller pieces. Also be sure to use the knife to smash the shrimp so it gets even smaller. It should look like this. Now we have finished the shrimp, we're moving on and putting the flour in. We're putting 5 eggs in this mixture. You can put more or less depending on your tastes. Depending on how gritty your mixture is, you can put more or less flour. For the seasonings, we're using salt. This is the salt that we're using, but you can also use regular. Optional soy sauce. Also optional black pepper. Here are the basil and the cayenne pepper, which I'm not putting today, but you can if you want. Now we're mixing all the ingredients together. This is our finished product. It should be around this consistency. If it's too liquidy, it'll be harder to fry later. Make sure the pan is heated up before you fry it, or else it'll stick to the pan. Or else the batter will stick to the pan. Now we've put some peanut oil into the pan. You can make the pancakes as big or small as you want. Once you flip both sides and the color is around this, it should be ready. Once it's this color, you can turn off the heat.